again it is going somewhere.
I think we'll have to restart this.
Once again, before that we will check once again whether it is there any other things are from the page.
Yeah.
Okay. Today we will see something on Servlet. On that day we will see some simple applications on Servlet. How it goes from PHP to Servlet. Today we will see there are mainly two things are the Servlet redirect and forward. Okay, we will discuss what is that one. First, redirect means actually we are redirecting to another server itself. It is going to be in different server. Okay. For example, we have seen in JSP, right, redirect.google.com. It means that it is going to redirect to different server itself. Okay, the previous request and all will not be available in that server. Okay, so in case if you want to
Okay.
the new application which is available in different server, then we will be using this redirect. Yeah. In case
Okay.
of forward, right? Forward means within the server, within the same server, but another resources or could be any servlet. It can be any other servlet or any other resources, but within the same server. In this case, we will go for forward. Okay.
Okay. So this is within the from the servlet basically. You are saying.
Forward is within the same server.
Yeah, forward is same server, but you said we will learn from the servlet using something to jump from one server to another server.
From one server to another server, that is redirect. We are using redirect.
Okay.
In case of forward, web container handle all process internally and the client or broker is not involved. Okay. Whatever the process we are sending, right, from web container already the request has been requested and hit for first time to the web container and the response is going back to the JSP page, right, as servlet. From there if you use forward means it is not going to hit again the browser. Okay, just it is going to forward it to the next page. But when we use
Right.
redirect, it's something like transfer the request to client or browser. So URL even inside the send redirect method is visible to a new request to the client. Let me put it in some example, you might understand.
Okay.
Here we are not going to print it.
Mohammed, can you copy paste and do it in another GSP so I don't get confused.
Okay.
Are you creating a new project?
Yeah, you want to create a new project or just you create a separate class? Is that fine? How you
No,
want?
yeah, in the same only, right? Yeah, we can do it in the same servlet only, right? So,
Okay.
I mean, just not the same file, maybe a new servlet. We're trying to create a new class.
Yes.
Or do you want me to? Okay.
Sir, is any day available for you to complete? You can take the class on a whole day or something like off day. Is it possible for you to plan for any day like that? Because it's going quite long for any day, 1 hour or half an hour is not well enough. So that we can do.
Say that again.
No, is it possible for you to plan for any day where we can go for a class like half an hour or sorry half day or full day?
Oh, half day or full day? Wow, that's going to be very difficult moment. Usually because holidays are coming, right? You work in Walmart as well. I mean, for me, it's like I'm coming home around 7. I go early at 7 in the morning. Weekends are very difficult, especially when the holidays are coming. Small, lowercase n, I guess. This one, right?
சொல்லுங்க. அப்படியா? எவ்வளோ வருது? சரி, ஓகே, ஓகே. சரி, நாளைக்கு பார்ப்போம். அதெல்லாம் ஓவர் தான் பார்க்கணும். அப்புறம் ஸ்ட்ரிங்கு வந்து கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துட்டு வாங்க. ட்ரை பண்ணி வாங்க பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, ஓகே. So we have not changed the configuration there. So it's looking for it. They have redirected to the Google server.
Mm-hmm.
This is something called redirect. Okay, now we'll see some sample forward methods. How it works. Okay, to do the forward, we need to create a request dispatcher first. With the help of the request dispatcher object only, we will be able to do the forward.
Mm-hmm.
In this case, have created a new class only, so I am going to modify that. Here is an interface. I think we will able to create. So request dispatcher has a method called forward, where we can forward the request and the response, but it is not possible with the for the redirect, where we are not able to forward the request, right? Not able to forward all the requests. We are using some, we are appending the URL and then only we are trying to redirect.
Mhm.
So that's
So
it.
this
Yes,
request dispatcher, what does it do?
it is nothing but an interface which has two methods, forward and include. Okay. Which is because this method is mainly used to, it's an interface used to implement the forward, which we needed here.
So within the server or
Within the server only it will do. That's what forward is. See here I have given one server name. It's nothing but a server URL. So we have to configure this
okay.
one in Intra.xml. In Intra.xml we have to create one more mapping. Here will be we have given. Here we can take again the hello. will come here and we are going to do the same thing. So that here we are able to get the request which will come from the first URL. And we have it came to forward servlet, and from there we have forwarded to forward. And here as well we are able to retain the username.
Mm.
I think we have not got somewhere else.
Yeah, because the path,
Mm,
because it went to search engine. Web XML, I think you probably want to change
okay, it's going
because
to
hello.
yes, search engine. From all over.
No, because it called a search engine, right? You called a default
Yeah,
URL.
correct. So we are to give this name. We are getting right of why it's meant for search engine.
Say that again.
So you are getting right why it meant for search engine again Google.
Yeah, because it's gonna go in there, right?
Previously it was search engine. When the hello world comes, it went to the search engine Java class. Now we have changed it to forward server. So it should come here, and from there we are again data forwarding into the to forward class.
But the mapping that you're seeing there, the
Previously
slash hello world.
we have not changed this one. Previously for hello world it was like this line number 18 servlet name is hello world, right? With this able to find this hello world servlet,
Mm-hmm.
and it went to this class, so search engine class. We have not changed it to the
Mm-hmm.
new server, forward server. That's why it went back.
Yep.
Now if it changes, we will go to forward server. Yeah, it's came to the third one. Two circle forward only we are printing it.
Yeah. Can I really quickly look at the
Yeah,
logic?
yeah, sure.
So this gets called from hello world, right?
Yes. Hello world and index.jsp. Actually, I will explain the flow again. We are first time we are hitting the index.jsp, right? In index.jsp we have submitted like form action equal to hello world. So hello world is a URL now. This is a servlet it's looking for. So it went to the web.xml, and in web.xml it look for the URL pattern hello world. So for that particular URL pattern we have mapped it the servlet name as a hello world. So it will look for the servlet name hello world. Yeah, it's find it here. So we have mapped the class here forward servlet. So it's going to the forward servlet now. The forward servlet. The forward servlet we are not did anything. Just we are sending the request to. We are forwarding the request to the new servlet to forward.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, forwarding the to forward servlet in web.xml. Again, it will look for the to forward pattern, and the servlet name is to forward. So it came to line number 13 and 14. It is able to find the class name. So it is going to this to forward class. If you want to better validate means in forward servlet we can change any other thing request. If you change the request elements, it should get rectified. So we'll try that one also.
So instead of request dispatcher, we could have just used request.forward also, right? We can use that.
No, I think is there any method is there? No, no methods like that.
No, in the first example, right? In the beginning when we used
That was in
request.forward.
JSP. We have seen the example how to forward
Oh, okay.
JSP. That is.
Oh, oh, okay. So request dispatcher.
Yeah,
So this object has this method,
yeah,
forward and include user.
yeah, yes, correct. Set attribute.
And in this what else we can pass in this constructor?
You mean in request dispatcher? Here, right? To forward.
So to forward goes where?
To
Like
forward
what
is
I'm trying to understand, like when we created this object, it is when say forward, what is going in the request? This to forward.
no, whatever the request comes to this page, right? From index.jsp, some requests
Mm-hmm.
are coming to this page, right? The same request will
Mm-hmm.
forward into the new server, to the to forward. We are forwarding it to the to forward server. That is the advantage
Oh,
of
okay.
forward over redirect. In redirect, we are not able to do like this.
Mm-hmm. And in to forward, sprint in this one.
Yeah, we are just getting the username and printing it here.
Yep. Okay. So what else can we use in the constructor, this constructor?
No, that is only the servlet name only we will be able to pass. And we are passing request and response here. Whatever we want to pass, we have to pass it through request only. And the servlet name we have configured. These three details is sufficient, right? For example, if you want to set any more attributes means
It's probably gonna add hello hello twice on the.
yeah, just this is a mapping is a key value bar. For hello, it should, I am able to get the hello, whatever I, oh, it's a bit confusing, we will change it. So I have set one attribute
So you
hello
can add.
with the value of hello sorrow. So I am able to get that hello here.
Mhm.
I am able to get the hello.
Mhm. It's probably gonna say hello Saurabh.
Yes. Hello. Oh, 10 minutes கழிச்சு பண்ணணும் மீட்டிங் நான் அப்புறமா நான் கால் பண்ணுறேன்.
It didn't take the parameter.
So, yeah, I printed
Try
hi.
again.
I just typed hi.
Oh, because you did this.
So it came with both. If you want a new line, you can just handle that.
Mhm.
So now you are sure, right? It is coming to forward forward and then it is going to forward. You come back and
Oh, sorry, I didn't.
can I now do that? You print the new line you want, right? Oh, you are getting the request. So
Say-
far, you are getting someone mistake. Um, you are getting the, should not getting.
Oh, okay.
You are
I
getting it
got
or
it. I got it. It's basically it's a get parameter plus I need to do it here.
yeah.
Because it didn't find that parameter. Yep. Okay.
It's not coming in new lines. You want it new lines. Try restarting the server. It might work. You have
Mm-hmm.
to do an out.println and you will invite it. Because server, correct only we are doing. So and then some more topics. What many topics? Some session tracking is there in Solar. Okay. We will cover that tomorrow and
Okay.
we start with frameworks.
Okay.
Okay. Mostly tomorrow we will try to complete that session training as well as we will start the frameworks. We will start here I will need to discuss it. We will start with anyone.
Okay. Hmm.
Oh, it's not coming. But it should come. I don't know. Alright, even if it reads the line, it should come in new line.
We were using println anyways, right?
Ah,
Right here.
hello world and these lines are coming in new line. See them? Hello world and this line is coming in new line. How it comes is, see this one it's coming in new line. In one of this. Sorry, sorry. Whatever you are doing here, right? So everything is an, what to say, everything is HTML. Whatever you are doing inside this one is an HTML. So we can use break
Hmm.
as well.
Yeah. Hmm. So that's HTML, right?
You place it normal HTML.
So yeah, because this word okay in println, okay. So if I have to do \n, I can't do that. Or maybe I have to do it like this. Let's just try one more time. What I meant was, it still doesn't work.
No, it's not working. I think in HTML we don't have a tag like that slash n, so it is not accepting extensions. It is just looking for slash n, it's an HTML only.
Hmm.
In HTML we don't have any command like write slash n.
Right. No, break will work. Yeah, break that work.
Like,
Okay.
okay, so
So you said tomorrow will be session, right? I'll try to read few of these. I'm
okay.
gonna go over the GSP tutorial here whenever I'll get a
This
chance.
solution is really good, so I can follow this one. Java deploy.
Yeah.
Given
Yeah, I also use some databases also. I have a question. I don't know where I wrote it. I don't find it here. Maybe it was my test project. But that's different. Somewhere I wrote when we were doing this GSP, right? We used database, right?
yeah, we can use database system.
And I was wondering when I used the connection string and stuff.
Mm.
Suddenly I was reading about Jindy, right? Java
Okay.
naming directory.
Yeah.
And I was kind of hard coding the connection string and everything. In real world, if you'll get a chance, walk me through once like a application where all the connection string and database server information go in XML.
Okay, one.
And in the Java code, I use the connection string name, right? I
Yeah.
mean, I know when I used to build this, I used to use that, but suddenly I was doing it other day. I cannot. It's one of these files only where I used it.
Hmm.
But then I was wondering, I'm using all the connection string, password, everything in there. What is the best way to use it?
Banking and all,
Maybe
right?
you used it in a.
Banking and all, they will go with the J&A lookup. Okay, they will not share the username and password to developer itself. Okay.
Right.
But in our Walmart and all, what we developed in our project and all, we will create a property file and we will keep that property file separately. Okay, from that property file, we used to read the username password. We will not give it in the.
Right, right.
Yeah.
That's why I said XML. I know I used to work for Macy's. One of
Ah,
the application they used to use JND, JND.
yeah.
But even Macy's also, some applications we were using property files only to store that.
Once a
Wells
file
Fargo
of,
also I worked.
if you have any
So
time of,
they used to,
hmm,
yeah. I mean nowadays I know they use Puppet or you can use Chef. I mean you can push passwords as a system variable during the time of deployment.
yeah, yes. Those
But
are
I just wanted to
the
see how it works.
those concepts are one-offs, right? Those pop-up
No, no, these guys use OneOps in Walmart.
form.
In Walmart, I don't do build and deployment engineering.
Okay, okay,
Walmart, I am a operations manager, so my role is very different in Walmart.
okay, okay.
Yeah, I don't know. OneOps, I know what it is, but I've never used it because I'm very close to the business. So I basically in marketplace.
Okay, okay.
So it's a little different. Yeah, no, no, but what I was trying to say, I've never used, I mean, myself in the development never used like XML and how I can use, information from an XML and code. If, whenever you get a chance, just walk me, in any other example, just walk me through, right? When you,
Yeah, sure. Frameworks and
maybe
all,
in
we
the
are going
Spring
to see
framework.
like that one. In Spring Framework, we will having like XML and we will read even from XML, we will read from property file. Or XML input
Oh,
into the
okay. Yeah,
property
yeah.
file. We will see that one in
Oh,
skills.
oh, okay, great. All right, Mohammed.
Yeah, fine.
I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye.